Hi! In front of me is Nokia C32 and today I would like to show you how you can set up Face Unlock. First of all, go into Devices Settings and scroll down to access Security section. After that, tap on Face Unlock and enter your current login method. Then set up Face Unlock by tapping on this button. Hit Start at the bottom right corner and keep your face in frame. Follow all of the instructions presented on your screen. Finally, tap on Done at the bottom right corner. So now when I turn off my screen, then switch it back on, I can see that Face Unlock is working properly. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!